Today I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in these gear lights. They're LED safety lights. They're going to run forever. The batteries do go out of them, but please don't just throw them away. Change the batteries. It's easy. They give you a lot of the things you need. You need a small Phillips screwdriver. I think this is really difficult to use, so I have one like this. If you have a glasses repair kit, something like that. They also give you some additional batteries. It's a CR2032 lithium battery. This is the Energizer version, which I use as well. So to access the batteries, what you need to do is you need to remove these 4 screws right here with your Phillips screwdriver. So I've gotten them loosened up here, and I suggest that you get them loosened all the way, because that's going to make it easier to take your cover off. The screws are small, so just be careful that you're keeping an eye on them. But if you're careful, you can just take that top off and you can expose the inside. And as you see, the positive side of the battery is up on the bottom and the negative is up on the top there. So I'm gonna pop these out. That one's a little bit tight. I might have to put down the camera here, but pop that out and put in the new batteries. So I've gone ahead and got new batteries. I've set them in here. They're gonna look the same as the old, but trust me, they're new. Positive on the bottom, negative on the top. I'm gonna take my top, set it back on, and set the screws back in. When you are setting it back in, you need to put this notch in first. It's going to be hard to show this. You need to get that over the top first. Make sure you've cleared the screws, and then that will pop down. It'll come together flush, and you can set the screws in. So the screws are back in. Flip it over, try it out. Look at how bright that is. And we'll be ready to go for any number of more hours. I hope this helped out. Replace those batteries. Don't just throw these things away. You can use them for a long, long time. Good luck.